Doyang is one of the most beautiful, pristine man-made lakes in Nagaland. This dam also produces around 10 to 15% of the electricity requirements of the state. But now, look at this. These are horrifying images and videos of Doyang coming in, filled with garbage. Pura lake to garbage para full hoye. Idu garbage kan kote bara ase. All the way from Kohima aro alak town khan bara ami khan la plastic bottle khan garbage khan nala khan de phelai na. Waste management naina tik tak bosti khan de holibi town khan de holibi ami khan la nodi khan bara pura heina Doyang de sob puchi kina collect kurina ase etia. What are we going to do about this? Ita ULB election ase, municipal elections khan ahi ase. Municipal khan de waste management tik tak hobo lage, bosti khan de tik tak hobo lage. Collect kurne recycle kuro lage. Nodi khan de nala khan de na phelabo lage to. Phelai jugule ami khan la Nagaland la environment, God given natural wonders to sob khotom hoi jabo. This requires